Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you 3 top apps to use to earn super easy PayPal money with your phone, guys. Yes, I have found 3 apps that you can install on your phone and earn easy PayPal money this way. Now, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I make big money online, guys. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm going to show you the 3 apps right now. Okay, all right. Now, this first app, I don't have a website for this one, guys. Okay, it is on, I can only find this one on the Android Google Play site, and there is no official website for this one. But if you go on Google Play and find Make Money Cash Rewards, or just use, there's another name, it's just called Big Cash in one word. So if you search Big Cash app, you'll find this one. So make sure it's just a purple background logo. And what the draw is this 2,500 coins, and which equals $15, guys, which makes them kind of one of the better paying rewards survey type apps out there. So I would definitely check this out. So I'm just going to play this in for you for a little bit here. Oops. So I want to play this because I want to show you that, see, for each survey or trying different apps or playing games and different or trying different trial offers that they have on the app, you can earn 8,500 coins for doing stuff like this in the app. Okay, it's not difficult, it is super easy, and this is why I'm telling you this is super easy. Anyone can do this, but this one, it seems like it's for Android. So like I was saying, you need a minimum of 25 coins for that $15 PayPal cash, guys. Okay, or you could redeem it for different types of gift cards that they offer, and that's how you can earn money from this app. It is not that hard. So let me just go down here for a second. I want to show you that these guys are paying and that they have a lot of information here. So let me go through this with you. Basically, if this is what you're looking for, this app answers these questions, and you can start earning money today by installing this app. Okay, one of the exciting thing about our app is you earn $15 PayPal cash or any gift card for just 2,500 coins, which can be accomplished within a few days. The exchange rate that we provide is way better than the existing reward or get paid to apps. You can earn cash from anywhere. It's easy, quick, and fun way to earn money. So let's see here. So what they're saying here is that because their coins are worth way more, because usually you do only get $1 to $2 or $1 to $3 for like 2,000 points on other apps. I have seen this, guys. So if they're paying $15 for 2,500 coins, that is quite a bit. And then here's another way to earn. You could earn 20%. So they do have a referral program, which is great because you can earn even more when you refer other people, and referring other people is actually a better way to earn because then you can earn from their work, and this is how you make a little bit of passive income here, guys. So we give 20% of the invited friends coins earnings for lifetime. Wow, that's just a lot, guys. Okay, and it's for lifetime. And you get 10% coins when your invited friends invite their friends. Oh wow, so this is kind of like two-tiered. You earn 20% from your own referrals, and you get 10% from their referrals too. And they have high-paying offers, and it's guaranteed super fast payouts. Currently, following gift cards are available to you: $15 or $35 Google Play gift card, or you could just get PayPal cash, or you could get Amazon and so forth. So these are the other gift cards that you can earn. So this guy, this is the first review on here, and said this guy is giving it 5 stars. So in general, guys, look at how many people have downloaded this. No, sorry, not downloaded, have reviewed this. So this is from 152 almost 153,000 reviews for a 4.6 rating. So that's a decent amount. And this guy has gotten paid, and it took not bad in my book just to play a game and reach a certain level and make money. So this guy liked it. There's gonna be things that you're not gonna like about these types of apps, because you may find that some parts are gonna be harder to earn than other things. And look, this guy said that the first $15 only took about 5 days, and it is a lot better than other apps that this guy's have tried for sure. So that's good. So that's why this is a very popular app, guys. And so 4.6 is pretty good. So that's the first one. The second one here is called Cash App. This one is very easy as well, and all you gotta do is install this app, and then you're just gonna earn as you do things in the app, just like the other one, guys. So you're gonna earn credit. Complete as many tasks as you can from the Hot Offers tab. The tasks vary and can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more things that you can do. So you can, but you get cash paid out from to your PayPal. There is no kind of gift cards or anything here for this one. It's strictly cash, and it's for iTunes phones. I mean, for Apple phones and for Android phones, iOS phones and Android phones. Okay, and the rating for this one is pretty good as well. I pulled up the Google Play one. It has almost 50,000 reviews with over 4-star. And this one says that you do earn real money, 4.5 stars. So of course you're gonna have people who like it, people who don't like it, and you're gonna get that, okay, with these types of apps, guys. But you just gotta try it for yourself. And this other one is called Make Money app, and it's similar to the Cash app. In fact, I think they're from the same. Let's see. This is from Free International Calls Company, and so is this one. Yeah, they're from the same company. So it's actually a double way to make money on this. So if you install 2 of them, then you have 2 accounts and earn double, guys. Okay, because this is going to be the same thing. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to Hot Offers tab, and then you're going to do stuff like watching videos or completing surveys, all the usual stuff that you do for this type of app. And then you can get payouts to your PayPal account within 24 hours. But I'm sure you need to have a certain amount of minimum before it gets paid out. So for this one, it's even, guys, you see this? 408,000 people have downloaded, or not downloaded, have reviewed this app as a 4.6. That's almost 500,000 people, guys. That's for Androids. And then for iOS phones in the Apple Store, we have 143,000 ratings at 4.9. So this app is highly rated. Some people love it, some people hate it. It just depends on what you're looking for. If you like to do this kind of stuff to earn a little bit of money here and there from your phone, this is the way to go. But you know, guys, if you don't want to use these little apps on your phone to make a little bit of money, and you want to earn much bigger money where you can actually maybe even quit your job or make money while you're going on vacation or sleeping or playing, but you know, and then you get to work on your own schedule. I mean, there is work involved, guys. I'm not giving you a magic pill that earns you thousands and thousands of dollars without doing anything, okay, guys? Look, in order to make big money online, guys, you need to have a program that will teach you the exact steps it takes to make that kind of big money. Okay, apps like this for your phones will never make you any kind of big money, and it's really a waste of time, really. But it really depends on what you're looking for. Okay, guys, if you're looking for a little bit of extra cash, sure, go ahead and use those apps. Those you've seen the ratings, those are working for some people. And if that's what you're looking for, then great. But if you're someone who is looking for how to make a passive income and an income that really changes your life and really adds something significant to your life, then check out the first link in the video description below, and I will show you the exact program that have taught me exactly what I do today to make a 4-digit online income. And I hope you would join me and check out the first link in the video description. And I hope I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video and subscribe, and then also hit that notification bell, as I always give you more info on how to make money online, guys. I thank you for coming to my channel today, and I hope you will make big money soon, guys. All right, bye.